Today, I'll show you how to connect to Pinterest in Morpholio Board. First, open the Morpholio Board app on your iPad or iPhone. Make sure you are signed into your Morpholio account, and also make sure you have the Pinterest app installed or that you can sign into Pinterest through your browser. Now open the board or project where you want to add Pinterest images. Inside your Morpholio Board project, look for the option to add images, products, or sources. Tap the Add button, the plus icon, or the image import option, depending on your version of the app. Now look for a Pinterest option. If Morpholio Board shows Pinterest as a source, tap Pinterest. The app may ask you to sign in to your Pinterest account. Enter your Pinterest login details, or continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook if that is how you normally sign in. After signing in, allow Morpholio Board to connect to Pinterest if it asks for permission. Once connected, you should be able to browse or import images from Pinterest into your Morpholio Board project. Choose the pins or images you want to use, then add them to your board. After adding them, you can resize, move, crop, or arrange the images with the rest of your design materials. If you do not see a direct Pinterest connection inside Morpholio Board, you can still use Pinterest manually. Open Pinterest, find the image you want, and save it to your device if downloading is available. Then go back to Morpholio Board, tap Add Image, and upload the saved Pinterest image from your camera roll. You can also take a screenshot of the Pinterest image and import that screenshot into your board. Just remember to use Pinterest images mainly for personal inspiration, mood boards, or client references. If you plan to publish or sell the design, make sure you have permission to use the images. So, to keep it simple, open Morpholio Board, tap the Add or Import option, choose Pinterest if available, sign in, allow access, and add your pins to the board. If Pinterest is not available, save or screenshot the image from Pinterest and import it manually. And that's how you connect to Pinterest in Morpholio Board. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.